Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we, of course, have all sorts of things that Microsoft is trying and pushing, and one of them, of course, that I don't see a lot of people really enjoying or having this around is Copilot. But get this, Microsoft has a crazy idea with Copilot. It has the idea that it wants it to actually be open and already there on your screen every time you boot up your PC if your screen is 27-inch or larger. And that is the idea behind what they want to do with this. So, of course, the good thing about it, they will be adding a Copilot setting. So when you go into the settings and you go into personalization, in here, one of the settings that right now is not there yet will be Copilot. And you'll be able to turn it off. You'll be able to stop it from starting at the, when you turn on your PC. But I get that you want to have Copilot used. I get it that you want people to see it and know it's there. But I find it a little, who likes any software starting up and being on your screen when you start? I don't know anybody. I certainly don't like any software that's popping up at startup and that I have to always shut down before continuing. So this definitely is one thing. And that's interesting. Edge services being long. So anyways, the idea behind this is that I don't think Microsoft should even think about this. If I want it, I'll get it myself. But don't have it display on the screen automatically, whatever the screen size that you have. It's crazy. So another annoyance, probably more than anything else, because I don't see a lot of people telling me that they use or like Copilot. And of course, we'll see, because this is the first generation, we'll call it like that. When neural processors are in PCs and all of that, could this be so much better that people will find it interesting? I don't know, but for now, I think they should back off a little bit because this is more annoying than anything else. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.